Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add music to your Instagram post. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then you can hit at that plus sign to start creating a post. Make sure that post option is selected on that bar, and then you can add some photo from your phone's gallery. In that way, I'm just gonna select that one, and once you did that, just hit on next. Then you can add some filter to that photo. I'm just gonna tap at next again. And on that step you can easily find this add music feature. You can just tap on that to show up that kind of music selector, and from here you can search for any music. You can first hit on save to show up your saved music, and in the same way you can get into browse to search for some different types of music like pop, bright, genre, smooth, stems, and a lot of others. Also, you can search music in For You section, and you can search for some specific song using search. So let's say I want to find some Lady Gaga song. I can just put in Lady Gaga, and then I can just select any song just like that to add it to my post. After that, you can just slide along this bar left or right to select the specific part of the song you want to add to the post, and once you did that, you can just hit at done. Then you can hit at share to share this post with your followers, and as you can see, the song shown right there just under your Instagram username. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.